Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking in essentials. Confirm Jaxson Dart is active on your roster and depth chart, then pick an offensive scheme that favors his strengths. Once done, switch to a compatible playbook, vertical or balanced, and assign starter reps. Make sure to allocate training points to throw power and short and deep accuracy. This improves timing and reduces forced errors. Don't waste time on cosmetic menus. Focus on mechanics and progression so Dart enters games ready to execute. You take him onto the field using shotgun sets and quick pass concepts to build rhythm. Early short throws establish timing. Once done, expand to mesh concepts and controlled play action to use his arm strength. Progressively add mid to deep routes as receivers create separation. Make sure to mix pre-snap motion to identify coverage and use rollouts or bootlegs when pressure mounts. This leverages Dart's mobility. Keep your reads simple at first, then push into aggressive windows when protection holds. You finish drives by managing the clock and rotating play calls to avoid predictability. Audibles are your shield against pre-snap pressure. If Dart's accuracy drops, make sure to return to quick reads and reassign training sessions, focusing on short accuracy and release time. Once done, save your roster and settings, then test changes in a short practice drive to confirm improvements. Troubleshooting tip: if he repeatedly misses deep throws, reduce heavy blitz exposure and increase play action to create cleaner windows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.